Hi friends, we are back with our next vlog. Today we are at the International Choir Museum located at Kalavur in Alleppey. The museum is established by the Choir Board of Kerala government. They charge an entry fee of Rs 20 per person. The International Choir Museum is fully dedicated to introduce a wide range of eco-friendly choir products. This is an amazing museum with lots of handicrafted choir products. There is a guide who will walk with us and explain everything in detail and help us understand the rich culture and process of extracting choir. We were amazed to see the wide range of choir handicrafts and choir ornaments. Choir is coconut fiber extracted from the outer husk of coconut, used in potting compost and for making ropes and matting. There are a number of things made of choir including Ganesh statue, portrait of Mahatma Gandhi, Taj Mahal and Lotus Temple. The museum offers a glimpse into the history of choir processing and manufacturing in Kerala. It also explains on how Bengali engineers helped the British people start choir processing and made the technology commercially viable and efficient. Alleppey has a prominent place in the history of Kerala's choir industry. Earlier, the choir products were manually made in houses and small units, but now it has become fully mechanized. The process of getting choir from coconut waste is explained in detail and there are various machines on exhibit for this purpose. It is a total enlightening experience. It makes us realize choir is not a waste but can create wonders. It's a great place for kids to learn about this fascinating fiber that originates from the coconut tree. There is also a training center focused on the development of trained manpower as well as evolving and popularizing new designs and patterns for coir products. Once the course is done, they also help you in starting your own firm with coir machines. There is a souvenir shop attached to the museum where we can buy some really good handicrafted coir decorative and products which are reasonably priced. This beautiful and unique place is clean and well maintained. This is a highly recommended place to go if you are visiting Alleppey. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.